What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we have another part in here in this series. We're going to be continuing this, a health and wellness website. And I left off on the footer. Let's see what that looks like right now. Actually, okay, so it's not really a footer. It's a footer, but not a footer, if you get what I'm saying. It's not on the bottom. We'll fix that later with CSS. Next up, we have a bottom section, this part right here, and then we have the middle section. I'm gonna start a little bit easier. We're gonna go ahead and go with the bottom section, which the bottom section looks a lot like the footer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy the footer here. If I could. No? What's going on? Weird. VS Code's a little bit weird. Okay. So, put that on the bottom section. Boom. I'm going to go ahead and just change this up a little bit. We'll say bottom. And then load to container content. The type that I'm gonna do, I want to say section or div. I'm gonna go with section. And then we'll title this, we'll say bottom section. And then we're gonna load onto bottom section. I should have just copied on. Bottom section, yeah, it can be a P, a paragraph tag. And we'll name this one, I may or may not add more links. So I'll just say bottom. Let's go with bottom link 1. I don't know yet. So for now, just bottom link 1. Just like that. And that should be good. Alright, now we're going to add on to bottom link 1. We'll go ahead and copy that there. Paste that on there. And then we'll just have this here. Oh, you know what? No, it's gonna be a link. Forgot about that. I totally forgot about that. That it's a link to an outside source. So even though I put bottom link 1, I still didn't remember. So it'll be a, and then what's it gonna be? What was it for links? It was, so it has an ID already. It has text right here. Let's do add attribute to element, and then what element? Attribute name. I think it's gonna be, is it href? And then value. What link? Hold on, I think it's href. Let me do a quick one. Let me see. Yeah, it's href. Okay. Href. So what element are we gonna add this to? We're gonna add it to link 1. And then what's the link? The link is, I know it's still here. Copy link. I don't know how this works. I'm new to Figma. I'm especially new to this here because this is something they recently added about a year ago or so. So anyways, Here's the link. Whoa. No. Copy link. Hold on. Edit. Why did he give me the link for... He gave me the link for Figma. That's kind of weird. Yeah, no. That's not what I'm looking for. Let's try this one. There it is. So it's like a website. It's for a search. Mental health resources near me. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what that looks like. Let's build it. Save it. Build it. All that. Alright, and that's what it looks like. Just a regular link. Apparently I've clicked it already. It's purple. And then, let's see, section, bottom section. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Now as for this over here, let's see, what can we do here? Middle section, this one's a little bit more involved. We'll start off by creating a section. Let's say load elemental container, content. We'll create a section. And then we'll call this one, just call it middle section. So that's this whole, just pretend there was a box right here. The whole middle section. Now, inside of that middle section, these here, either they could be just regular P's, or because I could change, like, let's say this was a P right here, I could just change the, you know, the padding, the margin, or I could create a div and then create another element inside of it. What should I do? I'm gonna go the shorter way. I'm gonna just create four. I'm gonna just create four P's. So this is all gonna be towards middle section. And then element P, ID, we'll just say quote, and it'll be quote 1. I'm just gonna copy this. Paste it 4 times. And then we'll just, I did not mean to do that. Okay. And then we'll just do 1, so for 2, 3, 4. And then obviously there's some sort of a text. So we can say add text. Attributes. I'm gonna do it. Let's just do add text for now. I'm over here thinking ahead a little bit. It's gonna be quote and whatever, and some text. We'll do that later. I could have pasted the whole thing, the load element to container and the add text, but I thought of it too late, so we'll just do it this way. We'll add text. All we had to do is to add text is just obviously just gonna copy it right here. Quote 1. Oof. I might need to, over here I'm using, it's because I'm using single quotes. I need to use doubles. No, I should be able to use single quotes because I'm using double quotes. That's weird. Is it because I have this down here? That's what it is. Give it a space. That's what it was. Do I have any of them? I'm gonna do these shorter ones, man. Be kind to yourself. Oh, take deep breaths. And lastly, a quote by Oscar Wilde. This one, because it's entered, so it may give me that same error that I was getting earlier. There it is. So all I gotta do is just bring it back up, give it a little bit of space, and that's it. Let's go ahead and save that. Build it. And this is what that looks like for now. No CSS, something like that right now. It's just getting the content on there. Later, we'll start working with the CSS. And yeah, everything looks good. We got the middle, the bottom, middle, quotes and stuff. If I need to later, then I'll put the P's inside of a div. But for now, everything looks pretty good. Depending on the design, I did say it was going to be a simple design, so we should be good. And that's going to be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good ass day. Peace out.